Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. And today I'm going to do one more upcycling of perfume bottle. And this actually video I got inspired by one of the YouTuber. Her channel is called as Reset Art Studio. In that she actually pasted the perfume bottle and then she made like a flowers like a flowing out of the perfume bottle like a showers of flowers like a waterfall. So I kind of like that effect, so I'm going to use her technique, but the only change is like I'm going to use my handmade flowers. Yesterday I showed you a video about how to make flowers with the perfume bottle sprayer. So I got the pieces of the construction paper left, so I made roses out of those, the rolled roses, and there's a video that I have already done of rolled roses. I'll also paste the link to that video as well, and also I'll post the Reset Art Studio, her link also. You can also see her original video. And I made like all the different colors and shapes and sizes of flowers, and with the leftover paper, the construction paper, after making the flowers I got this leftover paper, so I also using this punching machine which I got from Dollar Tree, and I got the small pieces of some kind of a decoration. I'm going to fill in the bottle, or maybe I'll put it on the top of the photo frame. So the items that actually I needed for this was only a photo frame that I got from Dollar Tree. It was lying in the house from a long time, and I'm going to decorate the bottle to cover the letters with this glitter ribbon. Yeah, I can get over with this glitter ribbon more. So I'm going to use the glitter ribbon to give an covering those letters, and I'm going to paste some flowers on top of it, maybe some pearls. And yeah, all I need is that, and I have enough of the glue sticks and my glue gun. So yeah, let's start working. So what I did was I already opened the frame, and then I put this the gift wrap paper, the white shiny paper with self flower design. Can you see it? So I'm going to use that as a background, and I actually stuck the glitter paper with flowers and pearls on top of it, and I just inserted some of the tiny flowers and this nice punched out paper, and I'm going to stick the perfume bottle like this and make the flowers flow out of the perfume bottle like a waterfall. So yeah, I'll be back. There you have it, guys, the completed project of the perfume bottle. So as I told, I got inspired by Reset Art Studio, and I just gave my twist onto this project. And I stuck the perfume bottle with a glitter ribbon and two gemstones, pink and purple, and I stuck pearls on top of it. And I stuck the bottle with the tiny flowers, and also the punched paper with this sun kind of a symbol, you can see. And I stuffed that to give like nice color effect inside the bottle, and also the flowers are flowing out of the perfume bottle, and I gave like flowers falling out, like tiny flowers in the top, and then the flowers are getting larger and larger at the bottom of the frame, and they've covered the bottom of the frame. And I also stuck pearls to give nice glossy effect to it. And the frame is 8 by 10, but it's totally up to you. You can choose any size of the frame, but I think I thought like with the kind of flowers and the variety of flowers I have, I choose like a bigger frame, 8 by 10. And yeah, I think I like how it turned out, and I'm very happy with the project, and thanks to her for giving the inspiration, and I added my twist towards it. So yeah, I'm very happy how it turned out. I hope you also enjoyed watching this. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, like, share, and also click on the bell icon for notifications. And yeah, stay safe, and I'll see you next time, and thanks for watching. Thank you.